Can't get the two-way audio feature of your Blink Video Doorbell to work? Worry not, for we know just what you need to do to get this issue resolved. Stick around till the end of this video to not miss out on any crucial fixes that I go through that might be your way out of this issue. Two-way audio, as the name suggests, allows you to converse with people in front of your Blink Doorbell virtually from anywhere as long as you have the Blink app handy. But to do so, you must first enable microphone access on your phone on which the Blink app is installed. This is usually put to your attention through the Blink app when you first install it. But if you happen to skip the step, you might need to manually configure it. So, to enable the required permissions for two-way audio on your Blink Doorbell, first open your phone settings and search for the Blink app. Open the app tile and toggle on the microphone access tile. On Android devices, navigate to permissions under the phone settings and enable microphone access for the Blink app. Once done, open the Blink app once again and check if your issues persist. Your internet connection is crucial for almost all aspects of your Blink Doorbell, and two-way audio is no exception. So get your network checked for issues, preferably through a speed testing application. All you need to do is get your phone connected to the same network as your camera, search speed test on Google and simply run the test. If the test returns a subpar result with high latency and slow speeds, consider refreshing your internet router by power cycling the device. A power cycle test not only refreshes the system internals but also gets rid of any internal charges that can mess with your router. All you need to do is unplug the router from the power supply and plug it back in after a minute. Once done, test the connection once again. If everything seems fine, connect your camera to your network and check for the issue now. If signal strength is the culprit behind this issue, consider repositioning your router closer to your Blink Doorbell. You can also opt for mesh networks or Wi-Fi extenders to further enhance the signal. Running an outdated version of the Blink app can also impede you from accessing the two-way audio feature of your Blink Doorbell. If you haven't updated the app in a while, now might be the right time to do it. And it's pretty easy as well. All you need to do is head over to the application store of your device and search for the Blink app. Once the Blink app tile appears, open it and tap on the update button to execute any pending updates. The update tile only appears if you have any pending updates. So if you can't see any update option, then you're probably already on the latest available firmware. If the steps that I mentioned so far didn't seem to work for you, it's high time that you reset your cameras to its factory defaults. A reset will wipe out all data from your doorbell, including setting configurations and unwarranted bugs. But first, I recommend that you start by making sure that there are no charging related issues with your Blink Doorbell, and for this, power cycles are the best. If you have your doorbell wired up to a chime box, I recommend that you simply disconnect it from power and plug it back in after a minute. If you have your doorbell mounted wirelessly, just remove the batteries from the doorbell and pop it back in after a minute or two. If the batteries are aged, now might be the right time to replace them. Finally, we can follow on to the reset process. For this, first you'll need to delete your Blink Doorbell from your Blink system. Go to the Blink app on your phone and navigate to its settings to delete the doorbell. Next, locate the reset button of your Blink Doorbell on top of the battery slots and hold it down till the indicators in the front turn red. Next, the camera should start flashing lights and finally end with a blinking red light indicating that the doorbell has been successfully reset. Add your doorbell back again to your Blink system and see if your issues persist. And with that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about regarding fixing two-way audio on Blink Doorbells. If you found this video useful, consider leaving your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Blink content like this.